hide. Your love hits me like a storm, fierce and wild, crashing waves against my heart. I'm beguiled. In the surge I lose control, drowning deep within your soul. Every moment, every touch, crashing waves, I feel too much. Crashing waves, your love surrounds, pulling me under, I can't make a sound. Crashing waves, I'm swept away in this ocean of love. I'll forever stay. Like a lighthouse in the dark, you guide me through the tempest of my heart, straight to you. Your love's a force, a tidal wave, so intense. In this sea of emotions, there's no defense. In the surge, I lose control, drowning deep within your soul. Every moment, every touch, crashing waves, I feel too much. Crashing waves, your love surrounds, pulling me under, I can't make a sound. Crashing waves, I'm swept away in this ocean of love we soar. In this sea of emotions, there's no defense. In the chaos, I find my peace. In your arms, my fears release. Though the waves may rise and fall, with your love I have it all. Crashing waves, your love surrounds, pulling me under, I can't make a sound. Crashing waves, I'm swept away in this ocean of love. I'll forever stay. Crashing waves, your love surrounds, pulling me under, I can't make a sound. Crashing waves, I'm swept away in this ocean of love. I'll forever stay. Till the dawn breaks and tides subside, in your love I'll always reside. Crashing waves forevermore, in the sea of love we soar.